was mounted in place. And if I'm, going faster in production, I'm just putting screws where I have a hole. I didn't put one down here at this end. And if I did, I'm either gonna have to use a self-tapping screw or I'm gonna have to pre-drill my holes in order to install it. So again, the trick that the manufacturers like to do is they'll take this insert molding and they will fold an area of it over and they will tuck it behind it. They will literally fold this material over, butt it up tight, and then that creates a water trap. So when this stuff does shrink up, what happens is as the water's running off, we'll say that, I'll show it to you this way as well, as the water's running off the side of the wall, you're rinsing it, it's raining. When this is shrunk up, it's now not deflecting the water, and so it allows the dirt and the water to get back behind it, we'll trap it, and anywhere there's a screw or penetration, it's gonna go down through the hole, run down through the wall, the floor, the roof, absorb into the material. But when that molding is folded over back behind it, it now is blocking the water from exiting. So what I like to do when I'm replacing it is I take that insert molding out, and when I'm installing it on the coach, so if you came in here and said, hey Dustin, I want you to put my insert molding in, I'm basically gonna butt it up to the end of the coach, and I'm gonna put a set screw at the very end of it. When I do that, it's still gonna leave a gap at the end of it. So when I put a screw in there, it's gonna leave a gap at the end of it, and it's gonna allow the water a way to exit out as well as the dirt. So just some other tips and tricks that I like to do on insert moldings. Again, these insert moldings come in white,